Good morning, Internet. What is my hair doing today? Why is it so light in the background? Am I just emitting a heavenly aura? That's better. Question is, do I eat bran flakes or do I eat Weetabix? Or do I just eat cornflakes? I went for the bran flakes option. Let's go to the beach, let's go away. Are you gonna party with me on the way to the beach? Okay.
I'm not going to party. Kai, well, Kai, you.
Kai, come and party. Go to the beach.
What?
Train. More people. Everywhere, people.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Oh, people. The funniest thing is that the birds are all just chilling down there, and then whenever the things come, they're like no, and they fly for their lives. They just sort of run away. So I'll get this shadow. Oh, you can sort of see the thing.
Is hanging at that stack of the Royal Air Force Falcons. They're checking their parachutes at this stage to make sure they can fly them to the ground. So into that stack of the Royal Air Force Falcons. The Falcons are the only parachutist team in the world to actually perform a loose stack. Of the most experienced parachutists we have in the Royal Air Force. So they will now turn and shoot both of those crosses, separating themselves to land. Maguire from Nottingham, Sergeant Rob Priestley from Middlesbrough, Sergeant Liam Lyons from Worcester, Sergeant Scott Garrett from Auckland in New Zealand, Sergeant Chris Williams from Blantyre in South Wales.
Well, they were some good air things. Now we're gonna go try and find the Nintendo thing. There's a what? There's another plane. Nobody can see that. But it's a big plane. A big World War II thing. Now we're gonna go find Nintendo. Nintendo's game. Oh my god, Transformers! There's a big Transformers thing. And it was #Find Optimus. There he is! I did it! Yay! Look at Hedwig. Oh, the lighting is bad. Oh no. I want an otter. Look at the otter. Go look at the otter. Otter. Otter park. I'm gonna stroke his face. I didn't do it. In other news, I got upset because there's a big play bus, and it's like a bus, it's like a bus, and there's a play area inside it, and I couldn't go on it because it cost money, and I was like, no thank you, play bus. But I'm gonna go to the Nintendo bit at some point, maybe, because they have Pokemon. That's it. They made a love heart. They made a love heart, but you can't see it. Hello, pilots. Hello. I hope you're having a good day. Hello. Bye bye. Oh, there's another one. Hello. Bye bye. Thank you. Now we have paused for sandwiches. Sandwiches are an important part of the day. Don't mock me. Sandwiches make the world go round. It didn't stop filming, did it? Can you even see the plane? See the look at the plane. The plane. You can't see it. Wild Britons have been attacked by rain, and nobody quite knows how to respond. Everybody's fleeing for their lives. They're running. They're running from the rain. What? What do you have to say?
Flying pig.
Flying pig? I want a flying pig! I can't zoom in on the pig. I want a pig. Flying pig. It's a flying pig. It's a flying pig. You're going to touch it. Oh, you. Beep. Beep. Hey girl, you want to touch my big pink snake? Hey, you want to touch my snake? You want to touch it? You touch my snake? Amazing. What is this? Amazing. Say that again, Kai.
Nah.
Say it again. Amazing. None of the restaurants along the seafront are open. They're just selling all of their food outside. I think that's pretty cool. They've just literally set up little stalls like come and buy our food. Like now. Very simple. Very simple. It's simple. It's very simple. Amazing. Oh no, it's upside down. Oh, why do they keep changing the song? Why? This is not my day. We were trying to sing along to a song, and then they changed the song, weren't we? We were trying to sing along. We wanted with all of our hearts to sing along to this song. Now we do that. What? Where are you? Now we do the walk of shame. Kai, do the walk of shame. Where are you, Kai? Walk of shame. He's not gonna walk of shame. He's too proud for us. Look at the hairyplane. The hairyplane. Look at the hairyplane. Secretly, I am a plane. This is my show. Let us fly to Morrison. I believe I can fly. Sister seems very unamused. She currently has a face like at all times. So that guy has a Trivium t-shirt. Yes, Trivium t-shirt. Yes, that guy. Yes. So we're going to stick a camera in her face, try and cheer her up. Go ahead, have her. She ran away. Car, I'll take you to Morrison's. See, we have quested to Morrison's in search of adequate sustenance. And also energy drinks. Yeah. Buying the things. Amazing. Look at the plane. It's so windy. I'm just pointing the camera in places and hoping you can actually see. Go! Hashtag cinematography. Yeah! Kai, climb. Where's Kai? Don't know where he is. I just climbed up this thing. Yay, climbing. Amazing! Amazing. People on the thing.
Look at that passing within just a few feet of each other.
Look at that passing. I commandeered this really rad hat, and now everyone is jealous. Especially this guy, who is hatless. Respect your local environment. Oh, Fluffy, I'm gonna die.
from an aircraft carrier was still
And here we observe the wild Kai in his natural habitat, looking dejected and homeless. Come along, stop being homeless now, Kai. We need to go do things. Giant. Amazing. Planes. I'm back. Hello.
And the stick there to hold that manoeuvre as they fly all the way down the. So they're going to put the aircraft onto each side.
The guy just talking. Guns and stuff. Guns and stuff. Really freaking hardcore guns and stuff. Yeah. Guns and stuff. Guns and stuff. Really freaking hardcore guns and stuff. What did I do to you? I'm innocent. No.
Go Aaron in the top.
Why?
He was going to shoot you.
I'm the king of the world. I killed Aaron.
Running down the stairs. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Film upwards rather than downwards. I think it's the way forward.
21.
Oh, they get steeper. Oh no! I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, it feels like that. It feels me. Right, Aaron, you ready? Amber, watch out.
Dun 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 dun. Hi.
Hi.
Why would you do that to me? Let's look at the thing. This is very pretty. Look at how pretty it is. It's so pretty. Ha. Look at the giant gun.
Wow, that's a freaking plane thing.
Love how Kai's just trying to get in even though there's already about 30 people in it. There's about 30 people in it and he's just like, screw you guys, I'm going home.
You didn't care, you would have waited till you got out before you got it. You would have stood there.
I still will. Now he's in the front now. He's like, lol, screw you guys. Flying a mother freaking plane. I kind of want to get in. Where are we off to today, Captain Kai?
I don't know. I'm sure I'm
Story of my life. Are you enjoying our mission? Ugh. It's your face. That was my face.
I have no idea, but I think there's smoke that might come out of their ass.
Kai, don't be rude.
What the hell? It's being controlled! He's controlling me! Ow! He just hit my leg! I don't really think he's fit. Oh wait, it's meant for me.
Kai, don't.
I can't stop my head from shaking.
focus.
See those hands coming? Come on, you guys. Do you still pick up the seashells on that roller beach? Remember when they crept in onto the pinched your feet? Then that old guy gave us all those drinks for free. Does she still get knocked over by the cotton breeze? Yeah, I know that you're somewhere thinking of me.
This guy has charisma.
Yeah, I know that you're somewhere thinking of me. Oh, yeah. I understand you suffer so much to shine in the light. 'Cause we don't want no problems, no, no. So do all that you know. Trying to get home, trying to get like broken stone. I'm trying to get home. Every time you go this close, my heart skips a beat. So come on, spin me around now. I don't wanna go home. 'Cause when you hold me like this, that's where my heart skips a beat. I know I should, but I can't leave it alone. And when you hold me like this, that's where my heart skips a beat. Sing it, come on. Oh, 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 you sing it.
I can't hold the camera still and do the arm thing at the same time.
So when I'm lying in bed, thoughts running through my head, yeah, I feel the love is dead. Sing it, come on! Our love they woke up instead. Sing it! And through it,
Oh, the speed protection.
the love and affection. Whether I'm right or wrong, louder! And down the wall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me. When I come to fall,
She won't shake me.
I'm loving my clothes instead.
Is it on?
Tonight,
Yeah.
oh, so come on,
Someone dance with me.
little baby.
What?
Just want you to dance with me tonight. Looking at you, I can tell you want it. I won't stop going till the morning light. Yeah, when I saw you there, sitting all alone in the darkness, and I knew that. Yeah, sing it. I knew right then that you'd be mine. We'd be dancing the morning night, singing.
Can I stop it now?
What?
Can I stop it now?
Yeah, that guy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that guy.
Thank you very much. It's been amazing. You know what? You've been so good. I can't just leave it there, can I?
Keep lifting me. Your love keeps lifting me. Lifting me higher.
Walking on the lion. Oh. Walking on the lion. To the village. To the bungalow. To Germany! That way. That way to Germany.
Yeah, how far?
Lol, cheery balls, lol.
I'm in the cheery ball.
Dun 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 dun. Walking along the thing. Amazing. Come on, Kai. You can do it. Walk along the thing. We can do it.